All right, let's look at this question. It says find the x power 7 and 2 squared terms in the expression of 4x. Let me write it properly. Let me use this. We have 4x minus 3y power 9. Okay? So we don't know if this is the first term, second term, third term. But by me looking at it, if you are good with binomial, you will know the term we are talking about because of the b part. If you watch my previous video, I always tell you, notice the b part. So here we have combination. So let's find the coefficient. R equals n factorial. We have n minus r factorial multiplied by r factorial. Okay? So n is our power. So you have n is 9. R is your b part. Your b part. So, and that is going to be 2, which is 9 factorial over 9 minus 2 factorial, then 2 factorial. So this is going to give rise to 9 factorial over 9 minus 2 is going to give you 7. Then multiply by factorial, it gives you factorial, then 2 factorial. Okay, so let's simplify this further. So this is going to be, let's say 9 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 7 factorial. Okay, because 7 is the largest factorial on the denominator. So we have 7 factorial by 2 factorial. So this cancels this. So we now have 9 times 8 is 72. 72 over 2, and 72 divided by 2 will give you 36. So that is the part of the coefficient, but not all. So let's say that this is A and this is B. Okay? Just like we used to say before. So this will now be, to now find the coefficient, to now say 36 multiply by 4x, then multiply by negative 3y. All right? So when you look at it, B is 2. All right? Meaning A is what? It's 7. From what they told us, X is 7 and B, which is Y, is 2. So the next thing we are going to do is 36 multiplied by 4 power 7 will give you 16,384. Then X power 7 will give you power 7. So we now have negative 2 squared will give you multiply by 9y squared. Okay, so we are going to multiply. This is going to give you a large number. So it's going to give us 5,308,416 x power 7 y squared. And this is the coefficient of this term in that expression. And that is how to find it.